Just imagine this for a second. What if your life could completely change in the next 30 days? If you're between 13 and 25, this might be the most important video you'll watch this year. Because this isn't just another motivational video you forget in a week. This is a real step-by-step system that can actually transform your life if you follow it for the next 30 days. But there's one rule. Once you start becoming your ideal self, you don't stop. You don't quit, and you work in silence, so your results shock everyone. Stage 1. Build a winner mindset. If you want a real comeback, you need to break your comfort zone. Think about someone like Bruce Wayne. He had everything: money, power, comfort, but he chose pain, discipline, and growth to become something greater.
For the next 30 days, follow this. Wake up early and take a cold shower within 30 minutes. Plan your day and focus on building a skill. Walk 10,000 steps plus 30 minutes workout daily. Face your fears, whether it's communication, fitness, or confidence. Fix your body language. Stand tall, shoulders back, move with confidence. Stage 2. Eliminate distractions. You can't grow if you're constantly distracted. Use time limits. Give yourself 90 minutes for tasks. Do a 7-day dopamine detox. No reels, no junk content, no cheap habits. Sleep 8 to 9 hours and fuel your body properly. Stage 3. Focus on starting. Most people fail because they overthink. Use the 2-minute rule. Make starting so easy that you can't say no. Once you start, momentum takes over. Stage 4. Improve 1% daily. Don't aim for perfection, aim for progress. If you study 25 minutes today, do 30 tomorrow. Small wins every day equals massive results over time. Stage 5. Work in silence. This journey won't be easy. You'll feel lonely.
People won't understand you, but don't explain yourself. Don't announce your plans. Let your results speak. Stage 6. The transformation. If you complete this process, you won't be the same person anymore. You'll be more disciplined, more confident, and mentally stronger. The same people who doubted you, they won't even recognize you. Now the choice is yours. 30 days or the same life for another year.